get ready for a 10-hour bus drive from Riyadh to Al Madinah Al Munawra.
So good enough.
It was not just a 10-hour drive, it was a 10-hour drive and a 5-hour wait at the bus station. So it's like 15 hours. I'm absolutely that it's 3 a.m. I've booked myself this very fancy hotel room. I couldn't find anything cheaper. It's near Quba. It looks like really classy. Maybe too big for me, but I think I deserve it. I'm going to sleep. Good morning, everyone. It was a tough night. Today, the first place I wanted to showcase is probably one of the most historic places in Islam, as it is the first mosque built by the Prophet ﷺ and his Sahaba. Masjid Quba in Medina. It's the oldest. And even though Medina is in the middle of the desert, like we're in March and the heat is absolutely killing me. Well, even through that, we can still see the past of Medina being an oasis. Look at this beautiful place filled with palm trees, very old, feel like abandoned house. If I had shoes on, I would go there. I don't have shoes on. I already lost them. Look at the beauty of it, and it's a proof of its past as an oasis. Look at the funny shape of this little store by, I don't know if it's an abandoned gas station or if it's just closed. It feels abandoned. I think it's abandoned. Yeah, it's closed on all sides. You see, first of all, it's a very walkable city compared to Riyadh. Look at this. I'm walking bare feet, literally. I've been walking for maybe half an hour, but you can also see local life. Look, there's a kid playing football there. There's a school bus. Birds. Well, it's empty because it's like 2 p.m. so everyone is at home. It's too hot for everyone except me, a Tunisian boy used to the desert and all that. Does nothing to me. I ended up buying this for €3. Medina is so peaceful. All you can hear is sound of like a few people talking, and especially the sound of birds chirping and singing. So peaceful, it's so calm. I don't know if you can see it, but there is this little cat here. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, they are afraid. Look at him. This is how you know if a city has like a local life. If there is cats. I couldn't find a cat in Riyadh. But I don't want to like diss Riyadh too much, but seriously, it lacked something. And look at the beauty of the birds chirping. Now the next masjid we're going to visit, the second masjid we're going to visit, is actually the second holiest sites in all of Islam. The first being Al Kaaba in Mecca, the third being Masjid Al Quds in Jerusalem, the fourth being in Khayrawan, my beloved Tunisia. But that's not a competition. But let's go and see Masjid Al Nabawi, the mosque of the Prophet, peace be upon him. We are heading to Bib as-Salam. The Masjid Al Nabawi is also known for being the place where our beloved Prophet was buried, and we're going to his tomb right now to say Assalamu alayka ya Rasulullah to him. traffic. Good night. I think that's enough for today. See you tomorrow. Oh, no. And this, my friend, is Jumu'ah Mosque. It's the mosque where the Prophet ﷺ did his first Friday prayer. I finally bought the clothes I'm going to wear in Mecca, inshallah, to the Umrah, and now I've treated myself to some kunafe. If you know, you know. It's cheese, it's pistachio. I thought the cheese would be sweeter, but it's actually mozzarella, which is really good. I really like mozzarella. Assalamu alaikum. We're still in Medina at the Miqat. So this is now the end of the Medina part and we're heading to Mecca. I will not film as much in Mecca because I will be focused on my Umrah. Assalamu alaikum.